Entity relationship model. First point is ER model. ER diagram having three components: entity, attribute, and relationships. Entity. Entity is a basic component of ER model. An entity is anything in the real world with its own independent existence. Example of entities: student, faculty, customers, etc. Means entity means one of the object with physical existence. The next is entity set. Entity set is collection of all entities of same type. There are two types of entity set: strong entity type and weak entity type. Strong entity type has its own key attributes, means they have primary key. This is the diagram of strong entity type. Strong entity types represented by single rectangle. This is diagram of employee entity. Strong entity. And it is denoted as employee ID having primary key, and in that diagram it is denoted as underline employee ID. Second entity, it is weak entity which cannot have primary key, and one of the entity depends to another entity, hence it is known as weak entity type. Weak entity represented by double rectangle. This is diagram of weak entity. Employee has dependent is weak entity. The next point is attributes. Properties of entity. It is known as attribute. Various property of entity. Example of attributes: student ID, student roll number, student mobile number are the attributes of student database. Or name, age, phone number are the attributes of employee. Types of attributes. First type is simple attributes. Simple attributes which cannot be divided into subparts. That means this is the diagram of simple attributes. Employee age or employee salary cannot be divided into subparts, and it is known as simple attribute. The next type is composite attribute. Composite attribute which can be divided into subparts. In that example, employee name can be divided into first name or last name. It is known as composite attribute. The next point is single valued and multi-valued attribute. First one, single valued attribute. The attribute having atomic value, means one value for a particular entity, it is known as single value attribute. Roll number. Each student has only one roll number, means one atomic value, hence it is known as single valued attribute. Then second type is multi-valued attribute. The attribute having many value for particular entity, it is known as multi-valued attribute. Each employee has multiple mobile number. This is the diagram of multi-valued attribute. Then stored and derived attribute. Simple attribute stored in database, it is known as stored attributes. Example, date of joining or date of birth is stored attribute. It is stored value in database. Then derived attributes means the value of these attributes which can be derived from value of related stored attribute, which is known as derived attribute. Tenure of employee, it is known as derived attribute. Then next types of attribute is null attribute. These attribute can take null value when entity does not have value for it. And last type, it is key attribute. This is an attribute for an entity which must have unique value by which any row can be identified. It's called key attribute of entity. Example of key attributes is employee ID for employee. It is key attributes, and this is one diagram for key attributes. Next point is notation for types of attributes. Notation for composite attribute, notation for derived attribute. Thank you.